Students, welcome again to online class of science for class 3rd. Topic: Sun as a natural resource. First of all, students, let's take a quick recall of what we learned in our last video. We learned that the sun is the main source of energy on the earth. It gives us heat and light. We studied that plants use solar energy for photosynthesis. All living things depend on plants for food. So if plants are not there, then no life will be possible or survive on earth. We learned that solar energy is used to run solar cooker. We can cook food in solar cooker, then solar cells and heating, etc. Non-renewable sources of energy are obtained from fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. Renewable sources of energy are unlimited in nature. They can be used again and again, and they are non-polluting. So they are eco-friendly. So students, as we learned that we should use non-renewable sources of energy wisely and cautiously to save them for our future generation and to save our environment from getting polluted. So now the question arises, why are these non-renewable sources of energy usually harmful for the environment? So as we know that carbon is the main element of fossil fuels. Okay. And this carbon in fossil fuels has been stored underground for millions of years. One more thing I would like to tell you, that carbon dioxide is a gas that keeps heat in Earth's atmosphere by a process called greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is necessary to life on Earth, but it relies on a balanced carbon budget. Now, when we will burn fossil fuels, or we can say non-renewable resources, so this carbon in the form of carbon dioxide will be released into the atmosphere. So having excess carbon dioxide means Earth's carbon budget is out of balance. This contributes to temperature, to rise in temperature faster, which will create difficulty for living organism to adopt it. That is why non-renewable sources of energy are usually harmful for the environment. Now, as we understood renewable and non-renewable sources of energy, let's see the difference between them. First is renewable sources of energy. Energy generated from natural resources like sunlight, wind and water are called renewable sources of energy. And energy that is obtained from the buried remains of plants and animals are called non-renewable sources of energy. Number 2, renewable sources of energy can be used again and again. On the other hand, non-renewable sources of energy have a limited supply. Number 3, renewable sources of energy do not cause any kind of pollution. So they are eco-friendly. But non-renewable sources of energy cause air pollution. Example of renewable sources of energy are solar energy, wind energy, etc. And on the other hand, examples of non-renewable sources of energy are coal, petroleum, etc. At last, take a look on new words of this chapter. First is solar energy, energy obtained from the sun. Non-renewable sources of energy. As we know that energy obtained from sources that take millions of years to be formed are called non-renewable sources of energy. Renewable sources of energy. Sources of energy that are generated from natural resources. And last one is conservation of energy. The wise and judicious use of energy is called conservation of energy. Now, let's do warm-up exercise which is on page number 66. In this page, in the space provided below, draw and color the picture of the heavenly body that is the main source of heat and energy on the earth. Now, as we know that sun is the main source of heat and energy on the earth. So, we will draw a sun and color it. Friends, I hope that you might have understood the new words and the difference between renewable and non-renewable sources of energy properly. Now for homework, you have to read the chapter thoroughly at home and learn new words of this chapter. For now, thank you and have a nice day.